Well, we got some vials filled with oil, some syringes, some steel balls. Looks like to me, Len, we got some high-tech scientific experiments here when we're talking about viscosity.
High-tech, just like we do in the AMSOIL chemical lab.
Yeah, not that high-tech. Welcome to this AMSOIL Tech Tip. Well, we're talking about viscosity, Len, but when we do, what do those numbers even mean?
Okay, viscosity is oil's resistance to flow. The higher the number, the more resistant the oil will be to move. So you take a straight 60 weight and it will be less resistant to move than, let's say, a 16 weight. But then you got a whole nother set of numbers, the W rating. That is how well the oil moves in really cold temperatures. So the chart is kind of trying to show you that as you drop that front number, so as we go from a 20 down to a 5 down to a 0, the oil starts to move better in cold temperatures. The other number is the oil's viscosity at 212 degrees Fahrenheit. We're not getting there today. So we're going to work somewhere in the middle here at room temperature when we're talking about these different oil viscosities.
Now that's some high-tech definitions, but you know me, I'm all about competition and low-tech. So here we go.
Yeah.
We got some thick oil, we got some thin oil. That's how it works. I don't know which is which, but I'm going to bet you I win. So what you can do is you can take your little ball here, and on the count of 3, I'm going to say drop. We'll drop it in the oil, and we'll see which one gets to the bottom faster. The one that gets to the bottom faster is the thinner oil. Are you ready?
Roger that. And the winner.
And the winner. All right, 1, 2, 3, drop. Oh, there goes mine, there goes mine, there goes mine, there goes mine. Oh,
look at that.
What's happening with that?
Uh-oh.
Holy mackerel.
Look at the difference there.
Wow. Len, you're still going.
And you are the official winner.
We're going to have to run a few more segments. This is going to take forever,
This
Len.
could take a while.
I won.
It's only a 2-minute segment.
Double or nothing. I got another experiment. You ready?
Yep.
Double or nothing. You got a syringe right there?
Yes,
Same
sir.
amount of oil, different thicknesses, right?
That's correct.
So if they were, one should go down to the finish line quicker from the start line, correct?
Yep. So let's move these out of the way.
Yeah. All right. So don't squirt it hard. Just kind of pump it in our little start line. On the count of 3, I'll say 1, 2, 3, shoot. So you ready?
Yep.
1, 2, 3, shoot. Oh man, I killed you again.
You still win.
What's up with that?
Well, one of them's thicker, one of them's thinner.
Exactly.
As we discussed, one of them is a heavier viscosity and one of them is a lighter viscosity. So I was using our straight 60 weight racing oil and you were using our multi-grade 0W, as we talked about. 0 moves really well. 16, which is already a thinner viscosity oil, so you should be the winner.
I am the winner, and you can be the winner too by going to AMSOIL.com and checking out all their products and get them for yourself. I bet you'll be the first one to the finish line.